Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher. Once again, I am. I will continue the chapter fractions related to word problem of addition and subtraction. In the previous video, I will cover two examples related to word problem. I hope you will understand. And in this video, I will cover the word problem related to figure. In this figure, look here, this is a figure. In this figure there are two geometrical figure. One is triangle, second is rectangle. So question is related to that. Read the adjoining figure because two figures are adjoined. Read the adjoining figure carefully and find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides of the related geometrical figure. The perimeter of triangle is called, this is a triangle ABC. The perimeter is called sum of three sides AB plus BC plus CA. Second question is perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So 4 whole 1 by 2 is the length and 3 by 2 is the breadth. And the last one whose perimeter is greater. Comparison of two perimeters of geometrical figures. So let's start solution. First, perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to sum of three sides AB plus BC plus CA. Substitute their value. AB is called 7 by 10, BC is called 4 whole 1 by 2 plus CA is called 2 by 5 is equal to 7 by 10 plus 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 plus 2 upon 5. So I hope you will understand the conversion of mixed to improper. Now LCM of 2, 5 and 10 is equal to 10. To convert all the denominators in 10, 7 by 10 will remain same because here is a 10. 9 upon 2, 2 should multiply with 5 become 10. Multiply with 5 as well numerator also. 2 upon 5, 5 should multiply with 2 become 10. 2 is multiply numerator also. So the result is 10 with the LCM. 7 plus 9 5 is 45 plus 2 2 is 4. So sum of 45 plus 11 is 56 upon 10. The simplest form of these two numbers, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10. So 28 upon 5 is the simplest form of the solution. Now convert into mix. 5 5 is 25, 3 upon 5 with the unit because there is no centimeter and meter, so we put unit. So student, this is the perimeter of required geometrical figure triangle ABC, 5 4 3 by 5. So student, the second geometrical figure is rectangle BCDE. We have to find the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. The formula is 2 into length plus breadth, or 2 into length is called BC is equal to ED, BC plus breadth is called CD. Now substitute their value. 2 into the length is BC, BC is called 4 whole 1 by 2 plus breadth is called 3 by 2. So 2 into 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. Solve bracket by taking LCM of 2. 2 into 2 with the LCM, 9 plus 3 then 2 into 12 upon 2, 2 by 2 cancel, is equal to 12 unit. This is the perimeter of rectangle BCDE, 12 unit. Now the third part is whose perimeter is greater, comparison of two perimeters. So student, the third point is comparison of two perimeter. The perimeter of triangle ABC is 5 whole 3 by 5 and perimeter of rectangle is 12. So I hope you will understand. 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 5 5 is 24 plus 3 28 upon 5, and here is 12 upon 1 by cross multiply, 28 into 1 box, 12 into 5, 28 box 60. 60 is greater than 28, that's why perimeter of rectangle is greater than perimeter of triangle. Therefore perimeter of rectangle BCDE is greater than the perimeter of triangle ABC. So student, I hope you will understand this word problem related to geometrical figure. The perimeter of rectangle is greater than perimeter of triangle. If you try to solve some other geometrical figures, perimeter of some other geometrical figure, if you feel difficulty, we will discuss in our live classes as well. Thank you.